what time it is, right?
What's up, fam? We're gonna be painting the control arm for my car. All I'm gonna doing is just painting it and installing it tomorrow. But today I'll just show you guys how I'm just gonna take it off the subframe. My seat might be coming right now too, so we'll see what's up. So I just took off the control arm. Just got to take off the spindle, because on the spindle on my car, it's bent because I crashed. Once I take this off, I'm gonna sand it down and get it ready for paint. Something quick, you know, just to keep it from rusting. But I'm still gonna need to take everything off this spindle because I need it. Just won't need the brake pad. All I need is just the spindle. And let me go ahead and just take this off real quick. From right now, it's pretty smooth to come out. Boom. Okay, so these are it. I'm gonna try to take off the bushings, but if I can't, well, oh well. All I do is just mask around it and paint it. Besides that, we're just gonna go ahead and get it started and get it painted. What the fuck you doing?
He's giving me the
whole car?
The whole car with the fucking pop the trunk, Alexa. The whole car and the other engine.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's leave it there. I gotta fix these. I need these.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take the bottom then.
Alright, fam. Today is the day after freaking when I was finishing the last part of this video. I cut the video off because my homie came through and gave me a free seat. It's a Megan racing seat. As you can see, it's all damaged right here. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to fix it. I'm gonna try using vinyl and fabric, try to fix that seat, and then you know, he gave me a free just a seat bracket. I have the what's it called, the control arm over there. Now I'll show you guys, see how this seat comes out. Trying to paint it, see it comes out because of the sun damage.
Shout out all the homies, man. Time to get at these niggas next. Shout out Frankie, I just wanna.
We're just gonna sand it all down. I have 400 grit right here, just for like the small edges, and I have like 200 or some grit, 220 grit, just for the main parts. Make it a little bit faster.
Fuck your bitch, nigga. Yeah.
Hey, look.
Bitch, I'm dangerous. Some dank to this. Bang on.
Check this out. This is the way I like to paint. When it's small things, like just, you know, control arm, I'll hang it on a ladder with some fishing string. I'm gonna use some alcohol to go ahead and clean it up. Once I clean it up, you know, primer and get this going.
I was made for this. Alice ain't no Chris, nigga. And I can fuck your bitch, nigga. Straight from the fucking dungeons of this rap shit. I'm Tommy to the socks, but this polo on my hat. Hey, this the fucking hat trick. Niggas think they that slick. They bitches in my mentions though. They wanna hold, they tryna go. I just get the check, then I'm outie 5,000.
So we did the first coat of primer. I'm gonna do the second coat. After I do the second coat, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it black.
Working 10 to 10s, then 10 again. I be up till like 4 a.m. just getting money, smoking out with the.
Hopefully I can fix that seat because the seat in my car is ripped. So we're gonna try to get that going. Alright, so I had to move the seat to the front, but I already painted the seat. Reason I moved to the front, the AC freaking fan is so loud. I painted the seat. It looks way better than what I got it from my friend. But to be honest, I can't really say how it is until I try it out, you know. But I want to see if it fades away, but the only way to tell is through time. But it came out pretty good, so that's a good thing. And then the control arm's already painted. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I just had to come to the front because the AC fan is way too loud. So it came out pretty good, pretty shiny. I'm not gonna put it on yet because the paint's not fully cured and I don't want to be grabbing it and leaving prints all over it. But yeah, it came out pretty good. main point was just to get the rust away, you know, take off some of it and cover up the rest so it won't keep you know, making bigger rust. But yeah, yep, came out pretty good. Check out my stickers I just made. I'm gonna go grab them right now and show you guys. Let's actually do that right now. The stickers I made. If you guys want one, just go ahead and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and, you know, like the video, and send me a message if you guys want a sticker for free. I'll send you guys a couple. If you guys can't message me on here, just go ahead and message me on Instagram. My Instagram is on the description below. And you guys go ahead and have a good one. Peace.